What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Hope y'all enjoyed last POV. Today I have a nighttime POV for y'all. We finna go to this little car meet. So I brought the X3. I don't know if it got storage, but I brought it anyway. Definitely gonna do a POV whenever we all get there. It's about 4 or 5 of us. So yeah, bro, I hope y'all enjoy this. Like, comment, subscribe. I didn't show y'all the update on my bumper, but it's back on. I'm gonna show y'all what's wrong with it though. I have to get a new one on Monday, but that's besides the point. Thank y'all so much for all the support. And yeah, bro. What y'all trying to get? Bet, I'm glad we ain't even popped on the scene yet. Look at this. They already acting bad. That bitch tough. Lightning? New recruit, new recruit. Got underglow in his shit. Not finna swing that hoe, bro. Oh shit, he might actually be finna swing that hoe. I don't think he gonna swing that hoe. Swing that hoe! Oh shit, bro. Nah, this hella truck up. Look. Buddy ass tripping, I ain't gonna lie. No, that's wild. No, that's wild. These niggas want to eat, so we started at Bombshells, bro. We finna leave now and go to a different look. So I'm gonna turn the camera on whenever we get back over there. And yeah, bro, I would do a POV. Well, I might do a POV actually. So. Nothing really going on. I'm really just driving safe. We ain't doing nothing bad. We just cruising really. So I'm gonna wait till we get to the spot and see what it's looking like.